Hello and welcome to the Topic Master Series presented by Edu Kingdom College. In this video, we'll be looking at proper, improper, and mixed fractions. What are proper and improper fractions? Proper fractions are fractions whose numerator is smaller than its denominator and is less than a whole. We can see the number on top is smaller and the number on the bottom is bigger. Improper fractions are fractions whose numerator is greater than the denominator and represents a number greater than 1. The number on top is going to be bigger and the number on the bottom is going to be smaller. Mixed fractions are a bit different. Mixed fractions is a combination of a proper fraction and a whole number. There's a whole number on the left and it's stuck with a proper fraction on the right. Let's have a look at these three fractions. What fractions are they? We have 6 over 10. We can see the 6 is smaller and 10 is bigger, so it's going to be a proper fraction. Then we have 21 over 8. 21 is bigger and 8 is smaller, therefore it's going to be an improper fraction. Last one here, there's a whole number stuck to it on the left and a proper fraction on the right. That gives us a mixed fraction. Fractions that are bigger than a whole. Let's have a look at this visually. We have half orange slices here. How many slices of halves do we have? 1, 2, 3. If we write this as an improper fraction, we have 3 halves, so it's going to give us 3 over 2. This is an improper fraction, but once we put it into a mixed fraction, it gives us a fraction of 1½ It gives us a fraction of 1½ But why is that? We can see that 2 halves makes a whole orange, so it's going to be the whole number 1. And then we have an extra half, so it's going to be the proper fraction on the right. Turning improper fractions into mixed fractions has simple steps we need to follow. All we have to do is divide the numerator by the denominator. The quotient is going to be the whole number, the remainder is going to be the new numerator, and the denominator remains the same. Then we just have to simplify the proper fraction. Let's try this as an example. Change the following improper fraction into a mixed fraction, 15 over 6. First, divide the numerator by the denominator. In this case, we'll be dividing 15 divided by 6, which gives us 2, remainder 3. Then we know that the quotient will be the whole number, so 2 is going to be the whole number. Then the remainder will be the new numerator, so 3 is going to be the top. Then the denominator remains the same, so it's going to be 6. So the new fraction is going to be 2 and 3 over 6. Then we need to simplify. We simplify only the proper fraction bit. So we have 3 over 6. 3 and 6's high common factor is going to be 3, so it's going to give us 1/3. So the simplified version would be 2 and 1/3. We transformed 15 over 6 into 2 different mixed fractions. So 15 over 6 can be represented in any of these ways. We have a mixed fraction, a simplified fraction, or an improper fraction. Let's try this question together. 24 over 5. Divide the numerator by the denominator. 24 divided by 5 is going to give us 4, remainder 4. What is the quotient? The quotient is going to be 4, which is the whole number. And what is the remainder? 4. So the new numerator is going to be 4. Then the denominator remains the same, so it's going to be 5. And can we simplify this answer? No, we cannot, because the only common factor that 4 and 5 have is going to be 1. So the mixed fraction of 24 over 5 is going to be 4 and 4 over 5. Let's have a look at this visually. 4 over 5. The denominator tells us that we will be looking in fifths. So we can see here, they're all grouped in 5s. And the numerator tells us how many fifths there are. There are 4 wholes of fifths. There are 4 groups that are fully colored. And then there are 4 remaining left. So it's going to be 4. And then we're grouping in groups of 5. And the denominator represents how many there are. And the denominator remains the same. So it's going to be 4 4/5 visually. Now is your turn. Convert the following improper fractions into mixed fractions. Please pause the video and try these questions. First question, 28 over 5. 28 divided by 5 is going to give us 5, remainder 3. So with the steps we had learned earlier, it's going to give us 5 and 3 over 5 as a mixed fraction. Then we have 32 over 3. 32 divided by 3 gives 10, remainder 2, which is going to give us 10, 2 over 3. Then we have 27 over 4. 27 divided by 4 equals 6, remainder 3. 6 and 3/4 is going to be the answer. We have 39 over 6. 39 divided by 6 gives 6, remainder 3, which gives us 6 and 3 over 6. Then we need to simplify, because 3 and 6 can be simplified, which gives us a half. So the answer is going to be 6 and a half. A quick summary. First, divide the numerator by the denominator. The quotient will be the whole number, the remainder will be the new numerator, the denominator remain the same, then simplify. Now that we've learned improper fraction to mixed fraction, let's have a look at mixed fraction to improper fraction. Also 2 steps we need to follow. First, multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator. Then, write the improper fraction by using the calculated values as the numerator over the original denominator. Example 1 here, convert the following mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 and 5 over 6. First, multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator. So 4 times 6 gives 24, and 24 plus 5 gives 29. Then, write the improper fraction by using the calculated value as the numerator over the original denominator. The original denominator is 6, so it will remain to be 6. Then, the calculated value is going to be 29. So 29 is going to be the numerator. Now, it's your turn to have a go to transform mixed fractions into improper fractions. The first one here is already given for us. 3 and 2 over 5. 3 times 5 gives 15, and 15 plus 2 gives 17. So the answer is going to be 17 over 5. The 3 questions left. Please pause the video and give it a go. Next one here, 5 and 4 over 7. 5 times 7 gives 35. 35 plus 4 gives 39, and 39 over 7 is going to be the answer. Then 4 and 4 over 9. 4 times 9 gives 36. 36 plus 4 gives 40, so the answer is going to be 40 over 9 with the denominator remaining the same. Then we have 6 and 2/3. 6 times 3 gives 18. 18 plus 2 gives 20, so the answer is going to be 20 over 3. Just remember there's 2 simple steps. Multiply the whole number by the denominator and add on the numerator. Write the improper fraction by using the calculated value as the new numerator over the original denominator. This is it for this video. For more English and Maths content, please check out our channel.